Hey, everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bind your phone number on the RedNote app, so let's get started. First, go ahead and open the RedNote app. Once you're inside, tap on the Me icon at the bottom to access your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on the Settings key. Inside Settings, select the Account Security option. It should be the very first one. At the top of this menu, you'll see the Mobile option. This is where you can bind your phone number. If you haven't linked a number yet, simply tap on it, enter your phone number, and RedNote will send a verification code to your phone. Make sure your country code is correct, for example, in the US. It's +1, but you can change it depending on your region. Once you receive the code, enter it and submit. After the verification is complete, your phone number will be successfully bound to your account. Binding your phone number is important because it unlocks more features, such as posting content, changing your profile picture, and other actions that require security verification. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more RedNote tips and latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.